Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to adjust app permissions on ZTE Android TV Box. To do it, click on the Settings button on your remote. Now go to Apps and go to App Permissions. Now you'll see different types of permissions that can be adjusted. Let's, for instance, select the Files and Media. Now you'll see all the different apps. You'll see which ones are allowed and which ones are not allowed. Now you can see that for Google Play Store and Remote Upgrade, device requires this permission to operate. But for example, for Netflix, I can select whether I want to allow or deny Files and Media access. Once I allow it, you'll see how it moves to the allowed section. And I think it will be needed in order to, for example, download different videos on Netflix. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.